how to delete search history on YouTube app. So there's two ways to do this, and I'll show you both ways. So go to YouTube, and you can simply just go to the magnifying glass or the search bar at the top right hand corner here, and then you can just go through and manually delete everything. So click and hold and swipe to the left, and then you'll see the delete option. Go ahead and do it that way, but that's going to take you forever if you do have a lot of searches in your search. But what you can do is go to the U section at the bottom right hand corner here, and then go to the gear icon at the top right hand corner. And then from here you want to go to manage all history. It'll bring you to your history and all these different kinds of settings that you have, and you just want to go right below all that stuff at the top, and you'll see delete here. And you can delete your searches for today, a custom range, or all of your searches. So you can go to delete all time, go ahead and confirm and delete, and then your search history will be deleted. So when you go back into YouTube on the search bar, there'll be nothing there. And that's it.